Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another discussion. Today, gotta talk about the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue, okay? I cannot hold my tongue any longer, bro. We gotta talk about this. Before we talk about it though, I have to tell you guys, man, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down below. And more importantly, we super close to 50K. Like, I can't wait till we get there, bro. I cannot wait. So, guys, I will be doing a giveaway very soon. It's going to be having a lot to do with hitting 50K, but it's something else I can't speak about. I can't really explain it, but just know there will be a giveaway, and I know you guys are definitely going to love it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. Let's try to get to 50K. You know your boy appreciate it as always. Bruh, the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue. First off, bro, do y'all remember the Racer Blue 9s? Them was trash, okay? This is not a rant video. It's more of a discussion video. I'm gonna speak on what I believe, and I just want y'all to speak on what y'all believe down below in the comment section. Now, the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue, okay, is set to release, I believe, this weekend, March 14th, for the retail price of $175. Now, ever since Air Jordan decided to change the release price point from the Air Jordan 1 from 160 to 175, I'm not gonna lie, man, a lot of these I'm not gonna pick up. I used to pick up a lot of Air Jordan 1s just off the fact that it's 160 a pop, and I mean, you can't really beat that for an Air Jordan. On top of that, the Air Jordan 1 is one of the most stylish, one of the most significant, one of the most easy to rock, simple based models, okay? Even though it's still cheaper than your average Air Jordan silhouette, which is probably like $190, $200. But my thing is this: the Racer Blue is the poor man's Dior, okay? I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. It's nothing wrong with that though. I'm gonna say that because I remember this is like two different brands here, so I know I might be crossing. Adidas came out with a 350 boost. It was glow in the dark, and it was fire. It was super limited though. I think it still might be like, in recent time, I think it's still like the most limited V2, because V2s are easy to get now. They re-release them 30 times. But this glow in the dark has never seen the light of day again. The Black Static came back. That was kind of hard to get, but they re-released that one. The glow in the dark, bro, it was just hard to get. So what they did was they came out to me with the Yeez Reel, okay? And the Yeez Reel was like a poor man's glow in the dark Yeezy 350. Now, obviously, I don't have a problem with getting a poor man's shoe if I own a poor man's shoe. This is like, quote unquote, a poor man glow in the dark Yeezy. It's like that same Vault Green colorway. The only difference, obviously, is it does not glow in the dark. So we have a pair of sneakers in the Air Jordan 1 Dior's that's set to release from anywhere from $2,000 to $1,800. Like from $1,800 to $2,000. That's like the price point of the shoe. Now, obviously, if you me, anybody like me, you not buying these. Like the day I spend 2 racks on a Dior, and the thing is, and I believe, like, in order for you to even buy these Air Jordans, that's $2,000. You got to meet like a certain criteria on like the Dior list. I'm not very what's the word, up on exactly how to get it, because to be honest, I think I only figure out knowledge and research on sneakers that I'm trying to obtain. And the Air Jordan 1 Dior is not one I'm gonna try to obtain. So I'm gonna scoot over a little bit. I probably already had a picture up here, but I'm showing you guys, this is the Air Jordan 1 Dior. And like I said, very exclusive, very high end. I'm talking about $2,000 retail, okay? And here is the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue. It's impossible for you not to see like some type of imagery, right? You see like how it is. It's very close, okay? It's very close. So I was just thinking, I'm like, wow. It's crazy because the release date for the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue is March 14th. And then I'm hearing that the release date for the Dior's is anywhere from March 26th to March 28th. I'm hearing like the lottery to be able to even get these starts to like March 26th, and then they'll start emailing the winners March 28th. So it's not just like a coincidence that Jordan Brand is releasing this like a few weeks before the actual big drop. Now, honestly, I don't like these Air Jordan 1 Racer Blues. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna pick these up. Will I do a review on them? I still don't even know. Hold up, let me scoot over real quick. I don't like these at all. The Dior ones, I actually seen these in person. I was in Chicago. I was at the Jordan party, and I don't even know how to produce his dude's name. He's a basketball player. He plays for the Wizards, and I'm a basketball junkie. And the fact that I can't pronounce his last name kind of make me feel bad. His last name is like Harachimani. Hold up, I gotta look at the roster real quick. Let me look at the roster for the Wizards, because Harachimura. Harashimura, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Harashimura. He's like the Japanese in black. He played in like the Rising Star Challenge. He actually had a pair on at the Jordan party. He had the Dior ones on at the Jordan party. And I seen them, I'm like, yo, that's crazy. I believe he had the lows. So they got a pair like a retro one high, and then they got the lows. I'm not sure which one he had on though. Maybe it was a highs, maybe lows. He had pants on, so I really couldn't see the ankle. And it was very dark inside the Jordan party. But anyway, I seen them up close, and they are fire. You know what I'm saying? And I'm pretty sure, you know what I'm saying, he's at the Jordan party. I'm pretty sure he has something going on with Jordan Brand. A lot of people don't know that you don't have to have a signature shoe to be signed to Jordan. You don't have to have a signature shoe to be signed to Nike. So a lot of them guys get a lot of free stuff anyway. That's not the point. Regardless, the point is it just my opinion, or do you guys agree that this Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue is pretty much like a poor man's Air Jordan 1 Dior? Okay? And if it is, it's no knock. You know, I know a lot of you guys still probably plan on picking these up. And that's nothing wrong with that. Like, that's a lot of y'all Air Jordan 1 fiends. I like them, but I'm not a fiend. You know what I'm saying? Like, when the Air Jordan 1 fiends come out, y'all just pick up shoes, even if they trash, when it comes to Air Jordan 1s, just for like a collective purpose. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? I definitely don't think there's nothing wrong with that. Me personally, these are a Chris Paul, bro. This is a no-look lob to Blake. You know, it's very, very simple, very, very basic. And I try to watch what I say whenever I make reaction videos like this to any breaking news or any shoe, because I'm not gonna lie, you know, I call myself out on it. I have a very, very bad problem with changing my mind later on in life. Like, I'll say this shoe trash, I'm not gonna pick it up, I'm not really feeling it, and I'll get a shoe in hand and change my mind like this. So if the record has never been stated ever before, I'm gonna say it right now, I'm looking directly into the camera. When I get shoes in hand, depending on the material, the feel, I can definitely change my mind. If the colorway looks better in person, that's why I like doing early reviews. If I could have got this shoe early, I would have definitely jumped on it. I just didn't have no way of getting these in. But early reviews, video-wise, is probably like one of the best things that happen to YouTube, because pictures does not always show shoes justice. Like, if you can get them in front of video, show how they look in a few different jeans, show how they look, like, you know, up close, you get like great B-roll, like on the material. Certain stuff like that really makes or breaks people, or helps people figure out if they want to pick up the sneaker or not. So, by the way, if you are into anything from early reviews and stuff like that, it is at the channel, so make sure you subscribe. But I really just feel like that service is definitely needed in the sneaker community, bro, because it'd be a lot of times where I might see a shoe that I didn't think I liked until I see it on somebody else's feet, or until I see them in hand. I'm at the mall, they might be sitting, I pick them up like, yo, you know what I'm saying? These are definitely not that bad. Now, I don't really own too many designer shoes anyway. I don't even know if you want to call this a designer shoe, because it's collabing with Air Jordan. Like, I think Off-White is kind of designer. In my opinion, Off-White is a designer shoe. I just think it's like streetwear now, because they got so many streetwear trends. It's like, is there such thing as streetwear designer? Because Off-White is designer. Like, you find it at designer stores. You can find Off-Whites in these places where only designer is found. So it is considered designer. But they collab with Air Jordan and Jordan Brand and Nike. They make Prestos and Vapor Max, 97s and Blazers and Dunks and all these things that we love in the sneaker community and we love in streetwear fashion. It's kind of like caught in between. So I don't know to call this Air Jordan 1 Dior a designer Air Jordan, or just another Air Jordan collab with a designer brand. So I don't really know. I'm gonna let you guys comment and let me know. What time is it right now, bro? It is 2:53 in the morning right now. Crazy. Y'all see that time, bro? 2:53 in the morning. I am super tired, man. I know I had to get this video out though. I know the videos have not been as consistent. Like, I used to drop like 7 a week, now it's like 6 and 5. Believe me, I'm scratching and pulling. I hate missing days, but at the end of the day, I just want to ensure I give you guys great content, because we almost at that 50K, halfway to the 100K. I'm super excited. That's just about it for me, man. I just wanted to talk about the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue. And like I said, for the 50th time, man, drop your comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. Until next time, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.